This tutorial demonstrates how to generate a comprehensive course summary using TeachSmart AI. By following these steps, you will learn how to select a course, generate its summary, review it in multiple formats, and save or listen to the summary for your convenience. Ensure you have access to TeachSmart AI and the course content before starting. Click the Course Summary tab to access the summary generation features within TeachSmart AI. Click Generate New Summary to start creating a new course summary from your available courses. Click Comprehensive Guide to setting up a successful YouTube channel to select this specific course for summary generation. Click Generate Summary to initiate the AI-powered process that creates a detailed summary of the selected course. Click here to proceed to the next step after the summary generation is complete. Click View to open and review the generated course summary within the application. Click Download as TXT to save the course summary in a plain text format for easy editing or sharing. Click Download as PDF to save the course summary in a formatted PDF file suitable for printing or distribution. Click Play Audio to listen to an audio version of the course summary. Click Pause to temporarily stop the audio playback whenever you need to pause your review. Click Stop to end the audio playback completely when you have finished listening to the summary. Click the Close button to return to the main dashboard or to start another task within TeachSmart AI. You have successfully generated, reviewed, and saved a course summary using TeachSmart AI. You can now use the summary in text or audio formats to enhance your learning or share with others. For further assistance, explore additional TeachSmart AI features or consult the help resources.